is my pleasure now to welcome Sarah Johnson for a chat. Hello, Sarah.
Hello. Hi.
Now, Sarah has just been awarded the 2022 Rising Star Award with Bookseller magazine, a very prestigious award. Congratulations on that. How do you feel?
Yeah, it's really a great honour to be on the list, and there's lots of great people on it, and yeah, I was really happy when I got the news. It's definitely a boost. So.
Oh, well done, well done. She's also just been featured on the Just Another Poet YouTube channel as a rising star, Sarah Nescanol. So fantastic for that as well. And not only that, you work at Seren and you have organised this festival. How has it gone for you?
It's been good. I think a lot of anyone here probably hasn't seen me much. I've been here, there and everywhere. And obviously the whole team at Seren's been really involved, but on the tech side of things and dealing with the live stream and making sure that all of that's been running smoothly, that's what I've been running around doing. So yeah. I think we've had one or two tech glitches, but otherwise it's gone really well, and I want to thank everyone who's been watching on the stream for bearing with us through those slight hiccups.
I mean, it's absolutely fantastic that you can offer that hybridity to people who can't actually be with you here, you know, so fantastic for that.
Yeah, it was something we really wanted to do, especially after doing an online festival last year. We just really wanted to keep that going this year, and it has been quite a feat, but you know, we're better set up now for the next time.
Absolutely. It's all a learning curve, and it's a learning curve for everybody in this modern world, isn't it? And I'm sure everyone is really appreciative of it. Yeah. And not only that, but you've also been able to Zoom other panel members in or readers in.
Yeah.
And also you've had the BSL interpreters as well.
Yeah, so that was another thing that following last year we had BSL interpreters on our online festival, and again it was just something that we're trying to offer. We've still not got the power to do it for everything, but we're doing it for as much as we can, and I hope that it's helping for people who need it and are using it. And I want to really thank our BSL interpreters because they've done an amazing job this weekend as well.
They really have. They really have. Fabulous. So you work at Seren. What other things do you do there, apart from just organise brilliant festivals?
So I'm the deputy publisher, but majority of what I do is actually the marketing and publicity for our books. Okay. So I work quite closely with all our authors, organising launches, so that's another reason why the festival comes in, and we've been doing a lot of those hybrid as well, or online and in person. Also, yeah, kind of sending the books out for review and getting coverage for them in media. Doing all the social media. So a little bit of everything, but it's quite good. I like it. It's quite varied, so enjoy it. Yeah. Busy, but different every day, so definitely a lot of fun.
Brilliant. And not only that, but you also enjoy writing yourself?
Yes, yeah, I do. It's one of those things I'm trying to do more of for myself. But yeah, it's been the last few months, the writing's kind of been pushed aside, but it'll be coming back again now the festival is run really well.
It's all about finding time, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Allocating time, and I think that's the same for everyone.
Yeah,
so fantastic, well done. Thank you very much for our chat.
Thanks very much. Thanks for you guys for this whole weekend, to be honest. So you've done a great job helping us to spread the word about what's been going on, so I really appreciate it.
It has been our absolute pleasure.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.